Hi everyone! Today we're making a carrot loaf. It's super moist with a nice cinnamon flavor, so I hope you enjoy it. You'll need 1.5 cups of grated carrot, which for me was almost 2 full large carrots. Set the carrot to the side and combine your dry ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose white flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Do not add extra nutmeg. I've made that mistake and my baking ended up tasting like soap. Give that a mix. I'm using my stand mixer, but you can absolutely just whisk this together by hand. Next, add in a 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/2 cup of oil, I used vegetable oil, and your grated carrot. Give that a mix. Don't overmix because that will make your loaf tough. Pour your batter into a lined or greased loaf pan. I give mine a quick shake and a few hits against the counter to help get any bubbles out. Then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 55 minutes. Mine took 50 minutes, and I used the toothpick test to make sure it was done. And that's all it takes to make this delicious carrot loaf. Let me know if you gave this a try, and thanks for watching.